Hi everyone, this is Ai. Welcome to my vlog. Today we are going to Cebu.
Place. Dito pa din kami nakaupo nung nag-Manila kami. So, right now, punta tayo na
Cebu.
Cebu!
Maaga yung flight namin, mga 11 a.m. and around 1 hour. We have arrived here in Mactan International Airport in Cebu. At dahil super gutom na kami pagdating namin dito sa Cebu, kumain na lang kami dito sa airport na lang. At dahil super pagod kami, di ko na na-videohan pero nakadating na nga kami dito sa Airbnb namin. Nag-rest lang kami ng a few hours, then grocery na din kami after.
Hi guys, it's me RJ. We are here at Cebu. Our first time here at Cebu and
We're going to IT Park.
IT Park.
Dami naming dala guys, so di ko na din na-videohan yung pag-grocery namin. That's just really our first day guys, nothing exciting, just preparing for the days ahead.
Hi YouTube family! It's day 2 here in Cebu. And look at our view.
Wow!
Like, you can see the sunrise in there. Yan. Anyways, you guys, today pupunta tayo ng Ocean Park, SM Seaside, Versace Cafe, parang ganun. Ipapakita namin sa inyo today and I'm super excited. So, breakfast lang kami and then we're going na. Bye! Breakfast!
After nga namin kumain, nag-prep na kami going to Cebu Ocean Park at 10 a.m. para di masyadong crowded at mas ma-enjoy namin yung mga view.
Guys, we're here already. Guys, can you see him? Where?
Pagpasok mo pa lang, ma-amaze ka na agad talaga sa sobrang laki ng mga isda dito at may mga iba pang mga hayop na madidiscover mo.
They are so free here. Hello. Guys, look at here. So nice. Guys. Wow! Guys, we're going to second floor. Ayun siya guys. Oh my God. Ba, malapit ako nahulog. Kaya hindi ako nakastep.
One thing I love about here sa Ocean Park is may mga info silang nilalagay sa mga hayop kaya you are also learning while also enjoying the view. Dito nga na side, parang nasa loob ka ng mismong aquarium. May makikita ka pang crocodile dyan guys. Super relaxing talaga nito at nakakawala ng stress kapag nakatutog ka lang sa mga isda. Meron nga din pala silang mga penguins dito guys at may mga neon lights pa na room na pwede mong puntahan.
Ah! Ay, sorry. Guys, look at this. Oh my God.
Meron din silang seal show dito guys pero di ko na na-videohan at meron din silang bird show.
These cockatoos can also be found in Indonesia. And
After namin maglibot-libot, nag-dine-in din kami dito. Dito lang din sa restaurant sa loob ng Ocean Park. At ang pinakagusto ko talaga dito guys is yung view. Like super relaxing to habang kumakain kami. After na nga namin kumain dito guys, pumunta na nga kami dito sa Versace Cafe. This is an interactive art cafe. Kailangan mo lang bumili ng coffee nila para makapag-access ka sa mga art rooms nila.
Perfect. Sige go, posing.
Wala kaming dalang tripod guys, buti na lang may nag-video nga sa amin doon at natatawa pa ako kasi sobrang supportive nilang mag-vid. Sila pa nag-choreo ng mga poses namin. Sa day 3 namin guys, dito pa din kami sa SM Seaside pero this time mag-ice skating tayo. This is our first time trying to do ice skating so we're really excited.
Guys, ang hirap. Bakit ang hirap? Kami ngayon. Hanggang dyan lang sa door. Tapos ako na naman babalik doon. Say hi.
On our 5th day, we tried the Seahorse Yacht Cebu, Philippines 3-hour tour passing some of the bridges in Cebu including the longest bridge in the Philippines which is the CC Lex Bridge.
Everyone, we're here at the
Meron na silang pika-pika dito and it's very healthy, all fruits kaya I like it. Ito nga pala yung longest bridge in the Philippines guys which is the CC Lex. Super ganda dito kapag gabi kasi may maraming lights. This is our 6th day guys and sadly we have to go home na. Maaga din yung flight namin, mga around 11 AM na sa airport na kami. Our Cebu trip is really fun overall. Ang daming activities at ang dami-daming first time. I'm gonna miss Cebu and will be sure to come back.